Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't really move much today. It might be rolling over a little bit. It broke the trend line. But the price action reminds me quite a bit of last Sunday when Bitcoin didn't really move. I think Bitcoin only started to move overnight, right, to Monday. I think it did. And then started to sell off on Monday. Whereas the altcoins already started to sell off a little bit earlier on Sunday. So it's quite interesting. We can see it here on TradingView that BTC isn't doing much, but we've got quite a lot of altcoins selling off. Coty, 7%. AVEX looks like a disaster generally, that chart. And we've got Engine coins selling off. You know, they're all selling off quite a bit, while Bitcoin isn't really moving much. Mana is selling off. And again, you know, that's sort of the similar price action that we had last Sunday. Don't know if they know something. Maybe the altcoins know something, Bitcoin doesn't. Well, again, the forecast is also for Bitcoin to go down ideally next week. I mean, remember, we've got the Fed interest rate decision coming up. 99% probability for no interest rate increase in September. That's the FedWatch tool. 2 days, 20 hours from when I record this video. That's the FOMC meeting. And yeah, 99% no interest rate increase. 525 to 550 is the current rate. And 99% probability for no interest rate increase. 1% probability for a 25 basis point increase. So yeah, maybe they're probably not going to do anything as I think. I mean, this can still change depending on what happens Monday, Tuesday, but typically they are very accurate here, this FedWatch tool. So I normally also go with what this tool highlights. It's very accurate. Typically, we've got that on Wednesday, I think 2 p.m. Eastern time is the Fed statement. The press conference is at 2:30. So we get the interest rate announcement in the statement. That's going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time. And then half an hour later, that's when there is the press conference. And typically you see a lot of volatility throughout after the statement release and then the press conference. I'm not sure how much is going to go on. You know, maybe we're not going to see much this week or next week, not that much. I mean, there should be some short-term volatility, but I'm not sure how much we actually see because remember, it's pretty clear, right? I mean, what can you say? 99% probability is pretty clear unless there's really a surprise. But if they go with what's already forecasted, the market is probably not going to do much. So anyway, this is the forecast for next week. This is something to watch out for. This is extremely boring what's going on here. If we don't, I mean, the forecast currently is that this is a wave 2. I mean, we've been talking about that, you know, for a week now. You know that. The thing is, ideally, this is a WXY structure. And we're now in the C wave of this ABC structure within the Y wave. But the C wave should really start to move. Nothing's happening, okay? Ideally, the C wave would be an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if it's not moving to the upside further, again, it doesn't have to because resistance is 27,480 to 26,540. And we wanted a rejection from somewhere here. It's just that the micro count in this wave count still suggests possibly higher prices. But I can tell you if it's not moving from here, then maybe something different is going on. Thought about earlier today, it could very well be that this is morphing again. It did morph already from an ABC into a WXY. Just to show you another idea I had, maybe all of this is a leading diagonal. So basically in an A wave, okay, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, in wave A. And then this is now a B wave. A, because it starts to look very much like a 3-wave structure. B, C, in a B wave. And then we get our C wave higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe maxing out resistance C wave of wave 2, and then we get the breakdown. I mean, if we now see a break down and it comes close to that previous B wave low at around 26,190 and even breaks below it, then I think this is what's going on. Again, it wouldn't change anything. It's just an extension of this correction, and these always change, these always move. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin does this. So just to show you, right? So if I think this is what I would go with, if we see this roll over and then validate this immediate structure, then I think we've got this, but it wouldn't change much. I think it's really only if the price breaks from here, get a sustained break below the X wave low, and that should be followed by a break below 25,320, the 78.6 retracement, then it's probably heading down more directly. Yeah, it's just an idea I just had, this kind of extended ABC structure where the A wave is a leading diagonal. Then we are now rolling over in a B wave. You know how difficult B waves are. And then a C wave higher. I think we will probably know very, very shortly, because typically in this C wave, it should now start to move to the upside. Now, you can always get quite a bit of end of the week volatility around the weekly candle close. So I think at the moment, nothing is decided yet. But ideally, to be honest, in a C wave, yeah, in this C wave of wave Y of wave 2, it should have moved a little higher already. So it's, yeah, this starts to look quite a bit like a 3-wave move. So it could be that B wave. Again, I'll keep you updated. I mean, corrections, honestly, it doesn't change anything if it morphs. I mean, all we're doing here is to provide a little bit of education as well, because let's be honest, nothing is going to change with the relevant, I mean, this relevant resistance at 27,480 is not going to change, whatever the microstructure is. And if we break above it anyway, then we have to focus more on the upside as discussed in previous videos. Yeah. At the moment, there is nothing, but just nothing that would suggest that something really bullish is going on here. Now, of course, if I'm saying this could be a leading diagonal, well, it could easily be a wave 1 then as well, right? This could be a wave 1. This could be a wave 2. And then if it breaks higher, yeah, we will have our wave 3 maybe. But again, there's no need to waste any brain cells on that unless or until we really break above that level. And then we can focus on something more bullish, as I highlighted in previous videos. Yeah, but not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.